Disasters, both natural and man-made, often result in destruction and death. Unfortunately, they are often hard to predict and therefore difficult to prepare for. Nevertheless, over the years, builders have found ways to make buildings more disaster-resistant. Different disasters require different features that prevent and reduce the effects of disasters on buildings. Fires are by far the most common of all hazards. Most fires are man-made. They often occur as the result of the malfunction or misuse of electrical appliances. Most houses are required by law to be built with certain features that prevent the spread of fire. Using non-combustible materials, such as concrete, slows and limits the effects of fire. Many modern apartment buildings are often outfitted with sprinkler systems. These automatically spray water when fires are detected. Sprinklers can damage items in houses. However, they are quite effective at putting out, or at the least, slowing fires. Furthermore, laws often require buildings to include fire alarm systems and emergency exits. These can significantly reduce injuries and deaths that may result from fires. Floods are the most commonly occurring natural disaster. Historically, they are also the deadliest. Some areas are far more prone to flooding than others. Areas near rivers and lower elevations are particularly at risk. In some areas where floods occur quite frequently, stilt houses have been a traditional solution. These houses are built high above the ground, on tall foundations or legs. Also, houses in flood-prone areas are often built with special waterproof sealants on walls and floors. Sealants prevent water from seeping through openings in the house. In case sealants fail, some people install pumps that remove water from houses during floods. Earthquakes, another common disaster, can lead to substantial damage to buildings. 90% of the world's earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire. This area includes the western coasts of North and South America, and islands off the eastern coast of Asia and Oceania. Many of the structures in this region are built to be earthquake-resistant. Houses are often built with reinforced walls. Metal or bamboo beams can be put inside walls to make houses sturdier. During earthquakes, heavy concrete roofs often collapse, causing many injuries and deaths. Because of this, many houses in earthquake-prone areas are built with light metal roofs. Finally, pyramid-shaped designs guarantee better stability against earthquakes. Many large buildings are constructed in a pyramid shape, with a large base and a small top. During earthquakes, the large base helps stabilize the building. It also reduces the impact of vibrations from earthquakes. Disasters like fires, floods, and earthquakes often strike without warning. They often result in damage to buildings and injuries to residents. However, builders have been making greater efforts to construct buildings that are more resistant to disasters. With disaster-resistant buildings, the effects of disasters that would otherwise be devastating can be greatly reduced.